There are a couple women who wrote us na babaero yung asawa, tapos humihingi sila ng advice. Na-hurt sila. Ang common line nitong mga babae na to is they believed in love and that love would change their husband. Kasi bago sila ikasal, alam na nila na may pagka-babaero yung asawa, may pagka-flirt. So when they got married, they hoped and prayed and believed that marriage would change everything. Yung iba naman, they believed that when they have kids, will also change the pagkababaero nung guy. And then it turns out na hindi. So yun, lagi sila, paano niya nagawa to? Masama ba akong asawa? Yung cheating is a branch issue. Meron talaga at meron sa ilalim na issue yung guy, kaya siya nambababae. Either nakita niya yan sa dad niya, galit din sa babae because yung mom nag-cheat on the dad, or is there something missing in the relationship?
Pero, ang sinasabi ni Maricar, yung pambababae ng lalaki, may root issues yon on his side.
On his
na
side.
minsan, hindi na natin kaya as a woman or as a spouse.
If he doesn't believe that it's wrong, then
Exactly.
wala kang magagawa.
Wala kang control dun eh. Ang pwedeng kontrolin ng girl, having a babaerong partner, may isang girl nagpa-counsel siya, sabi niya, ano ba to? Failed relationship ako, failed relationship ulit. After a while, sabi nung counselor sa kanya, sinasabi mo lagi, o to, babaero. O ito, tamad, hindi nagtatrabaho masyado. Ito naman exciting. Hindi siya katulad ng ex-boyfriend ko na alam niya. Tapos sabi nung counselor sa kanya, kaya ikaw na ang problema. Yun ang medyo masakit. But that's what counselors do. Yung mga good counselors, they look at your problem and say, yung nireklamo mong partner mo na babaero sila, mali sila, nang bubugbog sila, sino ba pumili sa kanila? Hindi ba ikaw rin? So, they can see patterns. Instead of looking at sablay yung partner na pinuha ko, hindi kaya sablay ako pumili. So, the counselor had to ask and say na, can you analyze paano ka na namimili? Kasi nakakailan ka na and still they're not okay. So napaisip din yung girl, nireklamo ko sila, pero ako naman ang pumipili. Ako naman umuoo sa kanila.
Yun yung sinasabi din namin sa mga nagsulat with cheating husbands na alam nila bago sila kinasal na may babaero tendencies yung guy. You have to acknowledge din na ikaw yung pumili dun sa guy na yun. You knew about this before you got married and yet tinuloy mo pa rin thinking na just one marriage would fix everything.
In fact, may counselor nga na nagsabi sa atin na kaya nga hindi daw maayos o mag-heal yung babae or yung lalaki. Kasi they keep on blaming the wrongs of the other side. The fact na pinili nila yung partner niyo, hindi nila maamin na I'm also part of the problem kasi I picked this person. In some sort of way, may partial responsibility ka kasi o babaero ka, tanggapin kita. So, pag tinanggap mo yon, nandun talaga yung heartache nun. Kasi alam mo from the very start, babaero siya eh. So, how can it be na babaero siya from the start, tinanggap mo, and then now you're complaining na, bakit siya babaero? It's very important na makita mo rin yung root cause nung side mo.
Kasi that's the only side that you can really do something about. Now you can look inside yourself, hanap ka ng mentor for yourself, and then with your mentor work, analyze mo rin yung loob mo. Ba't siya yung pinili ko? Ba't doon ako na-attract? Bakit tuloy-tuloy pa rin siya sa pambababae pero tinatanggap ko pa rin, walang consequence? Bakit ganun ako? Bakit sobra akong martir?